No feedback rows exist yet, so the target medium is unknown. I'm starting with Inception because it is a high-information movie guess with clear year, rating, sci-fi and action genres, now in direction, and recognizable actors. I will accept the cookie banner, select the first matching drop-down row, then click the guess button because enter alone does not submit. Step 1. Type card is red. The guess was Inception, a movie, so target median equals TV. Step 2. Year is red and 2010 has a down arrow, so the target is farther than 2 years older than 2010. Rating is yellow with 8.8 and an up arrow, so the target is within 0.5 and higher than 8.8. Genre action, adventure, and sci-fi are gray with no overlap. Actors Leonardo DiCaprio, Joseph Gordon-Levitt, and Elliot Page show no overlap. Director Christopher Nolan shows no overlap. Constraints. The target is a TV series, released before 2008, IMDb rating above 8.8 and close to 8.8, not action adventure sci-fi, and does not include the listed Inception people. Type card is red for Inception, a movie, so target medium equals TV series. Year is farther older than 2010 and rating is within 0.5 but higher than 8.8, with no action adventure sci-fi, no listed actors, and no Christopher Nolan overlap. The Sopranos is a pre-2008 TV series rated around 9.2 with crime and drama, making it a strong constraint testing guess. I will select it from the drop-down and then click the guess button to register it. Step 1. Type card is green. The guess was The Sopranos, a TV series, so target median equals TV. Step 2. Year is red for 1999 with an up arrow, so the target is farther than 2 years newer than 1999. Rating is yellow for 9.2 with a down arrow, so the target rating is within 0.5 and lower than 9.2. Overlapping genres are crime and drama. No actor shown appear highlighted as overlapping, including James Gandolfini, Lorraine Bracco, Eddie Falco, Michael Imperiali, and Dominic Chinese. No directors shown appear highlighted, including Timothy Van Patten and John Patterson. Constraints. Target is a TV series, released after 2001, rated lower than 9.2 but at least about 8.7, as crime and drama genres and does not use the listed Sopranos actors or directors. Type card is green for The Sopranos, a TV series, so target median equals TV series. Year is farther newer than 1999, rating is within 0.5 but lower than 9.2, and crime plus drama overlap, while Sopranos actors and directors do not. Sherlock is a TV series after 2001 with rating around 9.1 and crime plus drama overlap, so it is a strong next candidate and they identify whether the target is UK mystery crime. I will select the matching drop-down row and then click the guess button to submit. Step 1. Type card is red. The submitted guess was Sherlock Jr. a movie, so target median equals TV. Step 2. Year is red for 1924 with an up arrow, so the target is farther than 2 years newer than 1924. Rating is red for 8.2 with an up arrow, so the target rating is more than 0.5 higher than 8.2. Genres action, comedy, and romance show no overlap. Actors Buster Keaton, Catherine Maguire, and Joe Keaton show no overlap. Director Buster Keaton shows no overlap. Constraints. Target is a TV series, newer than 1926, rated above 8.7, not action, comedy, romance, and avoid Sherlock Jr. people. Type card is red for Sherlock Jr. a movie, so target median equals TV series. Year is farther newer than 1924, rating is farther higher than 8.2, while prior feedback says the target is newer than 2001, rated above 8.8 but below 9.2, and overlaps crime and drama but not action, comedy, romance. Better Call Saul is a post-2001 TV series rated about 9.0 with crime and drama, making it a strong candidate within all constraints. I will select it from the drop-down and then click the guess button to submit. Step 1. Type card is green. The guess was Better Call Saul, a TV series, so target medium equals TV. Step 2. Year is red for 2015 with a down arrow, so the target is farther than 2 years older than 2015. Rating is yellow for 9 with a down arrow, so the target rating is within 0.5 and lower than 9. Genres crime and drama are green overlaps while comedy is gray and not on target. Actors Bob Odenkirk, Reese Warren, Jonathan Banks, Patrick Fabian, and Michael Mando show no overlap. Directors Vince Gilligan and Thomas Shanaz show no overlap. Constraints. Target is a TV series, released before 2013 but after 2001, rated between about 8.8 and 9.0, as crime and drama, and is not comedy with no Better Call Saul actor or director overlap. Type card is green for Better Call Saul, a TV series, so target median equals TV series. Latest feedback shows target is older than 2015, rating lower than 9 but close, with crime and drama overlap and no comedy or Better Call Saul people. Earlier constraints put it after 2001, above 8.8, and not action, adventure, sci-fi, romance. Death Note fits very well as a 2006 TV series around 8.9 with crime and drama and no known excluded actors or directors. I will use enter only to commit the highlighted drop-down result, then click the guess button to submit. Nice, the answer was Death Note, solved in 5 tries. The key clues were that the target was a TV series from after The Sopranos but before Better Call Saul, with a high rating around 8.9 and crime plus drama genres, which pointed straight to the 2007 anime.